Hello friends, welcome to Agriculture video series. This video is about breeding for quality dates in sugarcane. Sugarcane belongs to the grass family Poaceae, an economically important seed plant family that includes maize, wheat, rice and sorghum and many forage grasses. The main produce or product of sugarcane is sucrose, which accumulates in the stalk internodes. Sucrose extracted and purified in specialized mill factories is used as raw material in human food industries or is fermented to produce ethanol. Ethanol is produced on a large scale by the Brazilian sugarcane industry. Sugarcane is the world's largest crop. In 2016, FAO estimates it was cultivated on about 23.8 million hectares in more than 90 countries with a worldwide harvest of 1.69 billion tons. Brazil was the largest producer of sugarcane in the world. The next five major producers in decreasing amount of production were India, China, Thailand, Pakistan and Mexico. In India, between the 6th and 4th century BC, the Persians, followed by Greeks, discovered the famous reeds that produce honey without bees. They adapted and then spread sugar and sugarcane agriculture. Coming to the nutritional value of sugarcane. The serving size is 28.35 grams. Energy is 111.13 kilojoule, that is 26.56 kilocalorie. Carbohydrates 27.51 gram, sugar 26.98 grams, protein 0.27 gram, calcium 11.23 mg, iron 0.37 mg, potassium 41.96 mg and sodium 17.01 mg. The world demand for sugar is the primary driver of sugarcane agriculture. Cane accounts for 80% of sugar produced. Other than sugar, products derived from sugarcane are falernum, molasses, rum, cachaca, that is a traditional spirit from Brazil, bagasse and ethanol. In some regions, people use sugarcane reeds to make pens, mats, screens and thatch. The young unexpanded inflorescence of taboo tailor is eaten raw, steamed or toasted and prepared in various ways in certain island communities of Indonesia. Sugarcane is a tropical perennial grass that forms lateral shoots at the base to produce multiple stems, typically 3 to 4 meters high and above 5 centimeters in diameter. The stems grown into cane stalks, which when mature constitutes approximately 75% of the entire plant. A mature stalk is typically composed of 11 to 16% fiber, 12 to 16% soluble sugars, 2 to 3% non-sugars, and 63 to 73% of water. Sugarcane crop is sensitive to the climate, soil type, irrigation, fertilizers, insect, disease control, varieties, and the harvest period. The average yield of cane stalk is 60 to 70 tons per hectare per year. However, this can vary between 30 to 180 tons per hectare depending on knowledge and crop management approach used in sugarcane cultivation. It's a cash crop, but it is also used as livestock fodder. Coming to the quality parameters, which is a major object of this particular video. The juice Brix refers to the total solid content present in juice expressed in percentage. Brix includes sugars as well as non-sugars. It can be measured in the field itself using a hand refractometer. Brix meter has gradations from 0 to 32. Juice sucrose or pole percent It is the actual cane sugar present in the juice, determined by using a polarimeter. Nowadays, instrument called saccharolyzer is being used. Coming to purity coefficient, it refers to the percentage of sucrose present in the total solid content in the juice. A higher purity indicates presence of higher sucrose content out of the total solids present in the juice. The purity percentage along with sucrose percentage aids in determining maturity time. A cane crop is considered fit for harvesting if it has attained a minimum of 16% sucrose and 85% purity. Reducing sugars. It refers to total percentage of other sugars like glucose, fructose in the juice. A lower value indicates that much of the sugars have been converted into sucrose. Commercial cane sugar refers to total recoverable sugar percent in the cane. In most countries where sugarcane is cultivated, there are several food and popular dishes derived directly from it, like from raw sugarcane, chewed to extract the juice, sayur gantan, an Indonesian soup made with the stem of trubuk, that is Saccharum edule, a type of sugarcane. Sugarcane juice, or popularly called as cane juice, a combination of fresh juice extracted by hand or small mills with a touch of lemon and ice to make a popular drink in India. Along with this, beetroot and other fruit juices can also be blended to make it more delicious. Sugarcane juice syrup. It's a traditional sweetener in soft drinks, now largely supplanted in the US by high fructose corn syrup, with, which is less expensive. Molasses. It is used as a sweetener and a syrup, accompanying other foods like cheese or cookies. Jaggery, a solidified molasses known as gur or gud or gul in India, is traditionally produced by evaporating juice to make a thick sludge and then cooling and molding it in buckets. Modern production partially freeze dries the juice to reduce caramelization and lighten its color. It is used as sweetener in cooking traditional entries, sweets and desserts. Falernum. It's a sweet and lightly alcoholic drink made from sugarcane juice. Cachaca, the most popular distilled alcoholic beverage in Brazil, a liquor made of the distillation of sugarcane juice. Rum. It's a liquor made from sugarcane products, typically molasses, but sometimes also cane juice. It is most commonly produced in Caribbean and environs. Bagasse, the residual dry fiber of the cane after cane juice has been extracted, used for several purposes like fuel for boilers and kilns, production of paper or paperboard, agriculture mulch, or as a raw material for production of chemicals. The primary use of bagasse and bagasse residue is as a fuel source for the boilers in the generation of process steam in sugar plants. Electricity production. Bagasse is usually burned to produce steam, which in turn creates electricity. Biogas production. A greener alternative to burning gases for the production of electricity is to convert bagasse into biogas. Technologies are being developed to use enzymes to transform bagasse into advanced biofuel and biogas. Ethanol. It is generally available as a byproduct of sugar production. It can be used as a biofuel alternative to gasoline and is widely used in cars in Brazil. It is an alternative to gasoline and may become the primary product of sugarcane processing rather than sugar. Coming to the toxins and allergens in sugarcane. Consuming sucrose is extremely large dosage may lead to gastrointestinal disturbances, cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, hypertension, and dental caries, so on. Mixture of bagasse and molasses used as cattle feed when fed in large quantity may be toxic. Symptoms of toxicity include reduced body temperature, weakness, rapid breathing, difficulty in standing. Bogasiosis. This is caused by breathing dusts containing fungal spores of Thermoactinomyces saccharine, which grows in stored moldy bagasse. Coming to the breeding objectives, evolving high-yielding, better juice quality and red rot resistant sugarcane varieties suitable for planting under different climatic conditions. Evolving sugarcane varieties with better tunability during winter months. Identification of proven crosses, parents and genetic stocks. Evaluation of indigenous and exotic sugarcane germplasm, interspecific and intergeneric hybrid canes. Evaluation of sugarcane clones for fodder quality to find out appropriate intercross and cropping system for sugarcane. Developing integrated management practices for the major pests of sugarcane in the region. Reduce toxins and allergens. Increase the quality parameters. The different breeding methods used are introduction, selection, hybridization. In the selection process only, parental selection, hybridization, selection of superior genotypes. The criteria used for parental selection is based on parental value defined on its potential to generate good progeny. Selection methods practiced are individual or bulk selection methods. Molecular breeding and other modern techniques are utilized for both biotic and abiotic stress resistance. Thank you. I hope you liked my video and do not forget to subscribe it.